The fire extinguisher.
Just in case. Today is Exotic Wood Day. This is some weed from Florida. This is tulip bark from Connecticut. And this is some spruce from out in the dooryard.
What spruce?
This is just a balsam fir. And we're going to be in real big trouble if we don't get this soon.
Oh!
Hey! Yep, we're still here.
Oh, you're not supposed to do this in the kitchen.
Hey.
Why can't you do it out in the oven?
Is there anything down here?
I don't know, maybe we can keep going. Oh, there might be something down there. There's something down there.
Go.
Nope.
Oh, don't have to go. Oh yeah, look at that.
You got shoes on?
You're at least out in the old kitchen.
Yeah, we're going outside.
We can take the whole thing outside.
Oh, just take the whole thing outside. That's risky.
You got something there?
Here. Oh, just right here, dear. Here. It's a really coarse bundle. How are you gonna get it in there? Oh, yeah, just dump it.
Burned a hole through the bag.
Oh. We almost got in trouble. Oh, there you go. Oh. There.
There.
Tandem hand drill. Yeah. With some, what was that? That's tulip popple?
Tulip popple.
Yep. And some weed from Florida swamp and some spruce.